Hello everyone, good afternoon from Riga. So today I will not waste much of your time. What I will just do for you guys, I want to give you technical analysis breakdown. I will take random pairs and do the technical analysis from the weekly time frame up to the 1 hour time frame, and I will give you my projection, what I think will happen. And for any guys that is watching this video right now, and if you want me to take a look at any pair you wish you are thinking of trading, you can simply just type it on the chat box right away at the right hand corner of your screen. Then I will do the technical analysis for you for that pair which you choose or which you want me to do the technical analysis. And while I'm waiting for any of you guys to drop the pairs which you want or which you want me to do the technical analysis, I will pick random currency pair and do the technical analysis. So I will start today with the British pounds USD. This is a currency pair I've been looking at for for some days right now. So I think that there's kind of potential of this currency pair going to the upside. I repeat, if you want me to take a look at any currency pairs, you can drop it at the chat box right hand corner. I will take a look at it while I'm doing this technical analysis. So that being said, I will start by looking at the weekly time frame. So the British pounds USD, what I will try to do for you guys, I will try to go very slowly. So I'm looking at the weekly time frame. What am I looking at? I want to see what for the past 3 or 4 weeks, what has the USD, how is it moving? Is it moving to the upside or is it moving to the downside? That is first thing which I will look at. So I can see our current week right now. The current week is in a strong bullish momentum, which is very good. And not only that, okay, let me just put this vertical line. Just this second. Okay, let me use this. This is the current week. You can see that it's kind of a strong bullish momentum for the British pound USD. The previous week, what was it? The previous week was kind of a bearish move. So it's kind of a mixture week for the last 2 weeks. So it's not kind of a strong uptrend and it's not a strong downtrend. So like the last 3 weeks, it has been bullish. Hello, how are you from Mexico? How are you doing? I'm from Riga, Latvia. So for the last 3 weeks, we can see that this price has made a bullish move, a bearish move, and a bullish move. And if you see this bearish move, you can see that this bearish movement did not break this bullish momentum. So what we can assume that the price will continue moving to the upside, because when did this bullish move started? Since October 1st. So from October 1st, we have a bullish move for the British pounds USD. So for the last 4 weeks, it looks like I would say since October 1st up to this present moment, 23rd of October, the British pounds USD is moving in an uptrend. That's what I will say. Then what I need to do next, let me project for the future week. I put it like this: the next 2 weeks. So I already see the next 2 weeks. I want to look what will happen. So that is the first which I need to do. The second, which I usually do on this a weekly time frame, I want to draw support and resistance, the major support and major resistance. This is kind of a major support level. That's number one. This other one is kind of support level, but maybe I will see this on the daily time frame very good. And what am I looking at here? I can see this zone is kind of major resistance. And what happened with this major resistance for this week? The price has breached this major resistance. The next major resistance is going to be at this zone 2. So right now on the weekly time frame, you can see I already identify support level, resistance, which is looking very good for me at this point, even while I'm on the weekly time frame, and the second major resistance here. So what's the next? I go to the daily time frame. So for the daily time frame, what are you looking at? This looks very good. This looks very good right now. On the daily time frame, I will readjust my support and resistance level. I'll put it there, and this is zone 2. I will adjust it. Yeah, this zone I will adjust it. I will put it like this, and this last zone on the daily time frame, I will adjust it, and yeah, so I already draw my support and my resistance level. And what I was talking about before, there's kind of daily support. Look at daily support, which I'm looking at this point in time. Yeah, this is the daily support. So without even going more to the smaller time frame for the 4 hours, I usually take my trade from the 1 hour and 30 minutes. So for those guys that's already here while I'm doing this webinar before, previously already know how I trade. So I will say, even without going to the 4 hours time frame and the 1 hour time frame, I can tell you that this British pounds US dollars, my bias at this point in time is bullish. My bias at this point in time is bullish. Why? You said, why? If you might be asking me, why is it bullish? Look what is going on. Price already broke structure. There's already a breakout from a structure level, which is, this is the last high, and this is the last low. So the price broke it, and what? It broke. It came to retest. So previous resistance is start being what's called support. Beautiful. This is kind of a situation where you want to go long, but you want to go long at this point in time, I would not advise for you to do that. And first, look what happened. The beginning of this month, it was a bullish run. The second week, it was a bullish. This third week is kind of a bearish, and this current week, which is the fourth week, we can see it's kind of a bullish run. So my bias for British pounds to US dollar for next week is going to be a bullish run, pure bullish. And where will I be targeting if I will be looking at the bullish run? It's going to be this region, 290 pips more or less. Yeah, 285 pips. That is my target for the British pound USD. But this is the daily time frame. But the daily time frame is looking very good, very, very good. So if you are a swing trader, if you want to take a trade based on when the price break one significant swing low or significant swing high, it tends to makes a new high or makes a new low. That is kind of a new swing high or a new swing low. So if you are a swing trader, what you need to do first, you can wait for this weekly time frame, like for this current week to close. And when this current week close and it close strong bullish like this and close above, then you know that next week is going to be strong bullish move as well. And you can use for a daily time frame. You can see the confluence right now. It's kind of bullish, very good. But if you're a swing trader, you need to start having a pause. Why? Even why this region is previous resistance that is becoming support, and it's kind of a break and a retest. One thing which I don't like, based on the daily time frame, one thing which I don't like is this low already broke this yesterday low level. So right now we can see that the price is showing us he don't want to go up, he wants to come down. Because if how do you know that the price is trending bullish or bearish? It's simple. Continue making new highs and higher lows, then you know that the price is moving bullish. The same thing when it's coming downward, he don't need. Okay, I will just give you example right now. You see this low, is lower than this is higher than this low, the same with this. So then you can say, yeah, this is going bullish. So one thing which I need to see, I want right now this, you know, how I wish this price at this current point in time make a little weak to the downside and did not break this low and start breaking this high. What will I do? I will go long. But since the price already pierced this low, which is previous resistance, maybe it made a deep retracement, but I'm not sure. You need a confirmation. What will be the confirmation? You need right now, this low already invalidates that this price will continue moving up for today. So one thing you need to see that the price start creating support. How? If this today candle closes in decision, you want to see on Monday or Sunday, for those guys that is in North America, on Sunday, that the price make a little bit lower and break this high, then you can simply go long, put support and put stop loss here, take profits 285 pips. So it's kind of very easy. This is based on the swing traders. And if you come downward to 4 hours time frame, still I trade up from 1 hour and 30 minutes. So they stay for those guys that trade bigger time frame too. Even look, what I was explaining for you in the 1 hour time, in the daily time frame, what I was explaining few seconds ago, it's what is happening right now. This price already start forming support. Where is it forming the support? Region of resistance, previous resistance. This looks very good. The British pound USD looks very good to go up. Looks very good to go up. There was a strong rally, makes a pullback. So if you want to take a position, and this is educational use, this webinar is for just educational purpose only. I'm not giving you any trade advice. This is my opinion and what I think. So I'm not giving you any signal. But however, I would say if you are thinking of even buying this British pound USD, do I advise you to buy at this point in time? No. One thing, because price already formed support. This is beautiful. You see, it was declining. We have strong bullish move, almost engulf last 8 hours, but there was a rejection. So what I need to do, I need this price to make a down week, which it already did. When this current 4 hours candle start breaking its own highs and testing these highs, then you can simply decide to go long. Because why? Because you already see for 4 hours, you already see support at this region. Yeah, support at this region, which I just mark right now. That is support. So it's kind of beautiful the way the setup looks like. The British pound USD that is going to go long. And that is it for the 4 hours. And if look again, let me go to daily time frame first. Look, there was a clean traffic to the downside. I'm telling you, expect to have this clean traffic to the upside on the daily. On the 4 hours, on the 4 hours is the same. There's a clean traffic to the downside, which you're seeing right now. There's always going to be a clean traffic to the upside, and opting which level first. It's kind of on the 4 hours we have some level here, and the second level is at this zone. Yes, somewhere. Yes, I'll put it there, somewhere this zone. So we have clean traffic. And support is already forming. Look at the support level, it's already forming right now. So yeah, that is the most recent support. And where did the support form? It formed at previous resistance, which showing that this is a very good trading opportunity for British pound USD. But bear in mind, Brexit news might change the overall bias. The European Union and the UK, they are having meeting today. I think they will continue during the weekend, so I don't know what will happen. But if it's based on pure technical analysis, the pure bias of British pound US dollar is to the upside, and you might take advantage for that. And for my time frame, which I usually trade, is kind of a 1 hour time frame. The same right now for the British pounds for the 1 hour time frame. But however, for the 1 hour trader, I would not advise you to take a position right now, because why? If you measure where this price to this low, it's kind of 30 for me. It's 40 pips. I'll put it here, 40 pips, and take profit is 90 pips. It's kind of very good. It's good, but today is Friday. And this move did not happen quite on time. So one thing I will advise you to do, you wait for a little bit pullback, or even not a pullback to this level. You wait for the price to form support at this zone. How? The price need to start having I'll do it like this. Yeah, so the price will need to start having so when the price starts making a bullish move, then you can say, okay, right now the price have support here and it have mini support. Then you can simply, for those guys that is thinking if you want to trade today, because then you can easily take a buy when this price, not this candle, but this current 1 hour candle, if it closes the next 1 hour candle, if it closes bullish, when this next 1 hour candle closes bullish, then you will say, and you can identify that, yeah, the British pound US dollar already form support at this low. And when the next candle is opening during the pre-New York session and London close, I think you can easily take a buy at this zone, put stop loss somewhere that region. You can see few pips, maximum 20 pips, take profit. You might be targeting 60 pips or 70 pips, take profit. This is how, for those guys that really want to trade for today, and you can see the bias is kind of bullish. I just explained how you can take a position later on today. But if this current candle break this low, then you know that the buy is not valid. You need to wait for support. Then if at the end of the day this support the support did not form here, maybe it came to retest this zone, then it's kind of very good. But if it did not come to retest this zone, there's still one other zone which might the price might come and reverse. This is what they call the fair value gap. This is a fair value gap, and the price might make an impulsive move to the downside, imbalance, weak people out from the market, that is set stop, and immediately continue moving to the upside. So there's kind of a zone, and there's a way you need to look at it. So at this point in time, in my conclusion, you don't need to buy the USD British pounds at this point. Wait for support to form at this region. If the support did not form, wait for a support to come and form again for a test, and maybe weak down, start pulling back, then you can buy. However, if the price break all this level, then the next level for you to say, okay, yeah, you want to go long, is going to be the fair value gap, the 50% at this region. Yeah, the fair value gap. Then you can say, yeah, I want to go long on the British pounds. So the overall bias for the British pounds US dollar is bullish, starting from the weekly time frame. Starting from the weekly time frame to the daily time frame. For me, this is my opinion, it's bullish. It's kind of moving bullish, and it's already breaking structure, so it's kind of bullish. And if you look like since the last 1 month, what has been going on since the beginning of October, this is the beginning of October, the British pounds USD has been trading in kind of in an uptrend. This is how it is trading. Yeah, this is in an uptrend. So this is how it may look like. So guys, this is the technical analysis breakdown for the British pounds and US dollars, and I will say Good luck with your trade. For those guys that will be trading later on or continue that's already in a trade, good luck, and trade wisely. Manage your risk very good, because the key to all successful trader is if they knows how to manage their risks very good. Risk management is the key. So enjoy your weekend and see you next week for, I think I have a very important and a very interesting topic to emphasize on next week. But till then, remain blessed and happy weekend. Bye bye.